Franchise overview, introducing the We Sell Restaurants franchise. The We Sell Restaurants franchise is a gateway to mastering the niche field of restaurant brokerage. Founded on integrity and professionalism, it empowers franchisees to excel in restaurant transactions, with a mission to sell more restaurants than anyone else, period. The franchise offers unmatched support and expertise, setting itself apart as a leader in the competitive market. Central to the franchise is its comprehensive training program, transforming franchisees into certified restaurant brokers. This intensive program covers business valuation, financial analysis, and legal considerations, equipping franchisees with essential skills. Practical exercises, such as role-playing and case studies, ensure readiness for real-world scenarios. Continuous learning through webinars and workshops keeps franchisees updated on industry trends and regulatory changes. Joining We Sell Restaurants offers a unique opportunity to enter a rewarding field with robust support. Franchisees benefit from comprehensive training, a strong support system, and financial advantages. The franchise provides marketing tools, cutting-edge technology, and operational assistance, ensuring franchisees have the resources to grow their business. This support network fosters success and long-term growth in the restaurant brokerage industry. We Sell Restaurants offers a vibrant community of professionals passionate about the restaurant industry. Franchisees engage in regular meetings, conferences, and online forums, sharing insights and best practices. The franchise also connects franchisees with industry players, opening doors to new business opportunities. Mentorship programs provide guidance from experienced franchisees, helping newcomers navigate challenges and build their expertise. The franchise model maximizes profitability while minimizing risk. Built on a proven business model, franchisees benefit from established processes and strategies. With scalable income potential, franchisees can grow their business by expanding their network and increasing transaction volume. Low overhead costs and access to financing options further enhance profitability, making it an attractive investment for entrepreneurs. Certified restaurant brokers from We Sell. Restaurants are trusted advisors, offering specialized expertise in restaurant transactions. Their deep industry knowledge ensures accurate valuations and informed decision-making for clients. Skilled negotiators, they secure favorable terms and protect client interests. Effective marketing strategies attract qualified buyers, while legal compliance ensures smooth transactions. Franchisees join a respected network with financial advantages and growth potential. Read more about Franchise Overview, introducing the We Sell Restaurants franchise.